Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we're diving into Notion, the ultimate tool for organizing your life, work, or studies in 2025. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid beginner setup that's super easy to use and customizable to your needs. Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool that can serve as your planner, task manager, journal, or even a knowledge base. The beauty of Notion is how flexible it is. You can design it however you want to suit your style and goals. Let's get started. First, download the Notion app or access it through your browser. Once you're in, you'll see the workspace. Think of this as your digital blank canvas. On the left side, you have the sidebar where you can create pages and organize them into sections. For beginners, start simple. Create a page for your to-do list, another for your notes, and maybe one for tracking your goals. To add a new page, just click the New Page button on the sidebar, name it, and add whatever content you need. You can use templates provided by Notion to save time. They're great for things like weekly planners, habit trackers, or project management. Now here's a tip. Notion works on blocks. Every text, image, or table is a block you can move around. Want to add a checklist? Just type / and select To-Do List from the menu. Need to embed a YouTube video or add a calendar? Type / and explore the options. It's super intuitive. Notion is also great for collaboration. If you're working on a group project or planning with friends, you can invite them to your workspace and edit pages together in real time. Once your setup is ready, keep it simple. Start by updating your to-do list daily, organizing your notes after meetings or classes, and checking off completed tasks. With time, you'll find ways to customize it even more to make it uniquely yours. That's it for this beginner's guide to Notion. Give it a try and watch your productivity skyrocket in 2025. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time, and happy organizing.